everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by title, I have a May Glossybox unboxing video today for you all. So just for a little bit of context, I have signed up to the Glossybox monthly box subscription package for 6 months. So over the next couple of months I'm going to be recording and documenting the things that I get. I have recently cancelled my P. Louise monthly box subscription, so that money that was going to the P. Louise one has now been used to go to the Glossybox one. It's the Glossybox monthly box unboxing for the month of May. I am a tiny bit behind with my recording, so I'm just trying to catch up on that. So when I signed up for the 6-month subscription, I also got a free mystery box, which is there and will be my next video unboxing for you all. I would say if you're interested in signing up for Glossybox to check on their website regularly, because sometimes they do special offers or discounts. I got my 6-month package for £69. That was with free postage, including a free mystery box. Now what usually happens is you get an online magazine you can download that tells you all the information about each product within your Glossybox. Now I didn't realise this, but if you're a bit behind with your Glossybox, so for example this is the Glossybox for the month of May, we are now in June, so May's Glossy magazine I can't access anymore on the Glossy Lounge because we're now in the month of June. It doesn't really affect too much for this video, but I just thought I'd say that in case anyone didn't know. So this is what the box looks like. I like the colours very much. Now I have already opened this box and I have already attempted to film this video. So in terms of presentation, the box isn't as pristine as it was when it arrived. That doesn't affect any of the products, but I just thought I'd tell you that anyway. So the first product we have is a sample of the L'Oreal Bright Reveal Niacinamide Power Pair. So we got that advertisement. We also have to go with that a sample of the L'Oreal Bright Reveal Dark Spots SPF 50. Just a sample size. I find products like this where they give it to you in such a small sample really hard to get a true reflection of the product because it is such a small size. However, I appreciate the sentiment. We also then have this which says Spring Awakening May, and then it says coming soon the June monthly bag, and then the summer limited edition. Looks like that. This is one of the main reasons I actually signed up for the 6-month subscription, and I signed up last month, so the month of May, because I was really interested in the June's box, because as you can see there it is actually a bag and I wanted to ensure that I would get that, so I didn't want to do a single monthly subscription for June in the month of June in case it sold out. So sneak peek at what's coming up. So within this box we have 5 products. I will leave on screen the total cost that makes each product, so again you can see if this would be good value for you and your circumstance. So the first thing that we've got, and I have used some of these products, this is actually the product I use, so I'll show you this in addition to the second product I've been using next. This is the Eclat Skin and it's a limited edition micellar water with rosemary extracts. About here with that. It was quite nice. I don't typically tend to use a micellar water a lot. I prefer a cleansing balm if I'm honest. This can be a really nice handy product to just have, and I will carry on and use it when I'm out of my cleansing balm. So I think this is quite a good product. Maybe not super exciting, but I do think a really handy product. We then have these, which are the Wipeout Swipes, and these are reusable makeup pads. There are 2 in here. I only have one, which is the pink one. It did also come with a grey one. I have been using the other one of this with the micellar water to take off my makeup, so I only have one clean one to show you because I'm not going to show you the one I've been using, and I have been enjoying the one I have been using and I like the fact that they're reusable. So that's the second product we got. We then have this third product, which is the Esper body lotion in the scent Bergamot and Jasmine. I'm not going to open this because I have smelt this scent before. I like this scent, I just don't tend to use body lotions, so I will either re-gift this or I will put this in a giveaway. That is something I will say about the products. If I don't think I'm going to use the products, I will either pass them along to someone who will use them, or I'll put them to one side and I'll end up putting them in a YouTube giveaway. We then have this, which is the Philip Kingsley Maximizer, and this is a root boosting volumizing spray for your hair. Looks like that. My hair is curly and quite voluminous anyway, so I don't necessarily know how much I would need this product. I probably will give this product a go and see how I get on with it, but we got that. And lastly, we have the Dr. Paw Original Balm. This is the multi-purpose smoothing balm. Looks like that. Pretty standard product. Most people have heard of this brand and this product. So just to run over the products again really quickly, we have the Eclat Skin Micellar Water. We have our second product, which is the reusable cotton pads. We have our third product being the Esper Body Lotion. We have the Philip Kingsley Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. And then lastly, we have the Dr. Paw Multi-Purpose Balm. So out of all of these products, I am going to be using 4 of them, and then the body lotion I'm going to be giving away to a friend or a family member or putting in a giveaway. So my overall thoughts on this box, I think this box was quite decent. I think it was quite good. Like I said, I'm going to be using 4 out of the 5 products, so I think this was quite a successful box. I don't necessarily know it was the most exciting box, but I do think it was quite a decent and quite a good box. I am really excited for the May box. I do, like I say, already have the May box, but I am very excited about that, and that is one of the reasons that I did do the 6-month subscription, was to ensure that I would get the box for June. So I have that coming up in my next video, and until then I will see you guys later. If you got this box, let me know what you thought. Also let me know what version of this box you got. I know there was a couple of different versions of this box floating around. I know some people got the makeup eraser, some people got a liquid lipstick, some people got a makeup primer. So I know there were different versions of this box. Overall, I'm quite happy with this version. I also really like the packaging, and I do intend to either reuse these boxes or re-gift them when I'm giving gifts or presents. So as I say, I'm going to try and really optimise everything within the Glossybox, from the products to the actual packaging. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this Glossybox, and I will speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys!